to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the all I gotta do is smile Tik Tok trend, which is very easy to learn and it's also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started. So the very first move we're going to do is 1. So we're going to bend our right arm and our hand goes towards our shoulder. And we're going to twist to the side a little bit. 1. And then we're going to do a small jump like that. So just 1 and then jump. We're just going to jump on our left leg. We're going to lift our right leg and we're going to go like this. Just our hand is in a fist and it goes towards our knee. So it's going to look like this. 1, jump. Then, after that, we're going to put our hands like this. Like, it's going to look like a small box. And then, we're going to go 1. We're going to put one hand on top of another. It doesn't really matter which one goes on top of which. And then they say smile, so we're going to go forward like this, and we're just going to smile. So, from the beginning, it's going to look like this. Twist, jump, box, hands, smile. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to step back and our hands go forward like that. Just, it's going to be like a small circle, right? Circle. And then we're going to put our legs together and we're going to step. We're going to do like a small jump and step on our right leg. And we're going to go like this. 1, 2. And then we're going to go forward like that. So I'm going to explain it to you once again, slow, from here. So we're going to step back, we're going to do a circle, and then we're going to step forward and go, and just put our legs together. Well, not together, but like on the same level, and our legs are just shoulder length. So we're going to do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, jump, box, hands, smile, step back, step forward. Okay, so after this is what we're going to do. We're going to go, like our right elbow goes to the side and our hand does a circle above our head, like that. 1, 2. And after the circle, we're going to like move towards the left a little. So 1, 2, and we're going to do a wave, like that. Once again, elbow, circle, wave. So after the wave, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go 1, put our hands over here at our sides, and we're going to put our hands together, our fists together. It doesn't matter which hand is on top of which. And we're going to go 1, 2, and then after that, it says here, so we're going to go 1, 2, so we're going to show our ears, right, with our hand, and with our left hand. And then we're going to do like a small butterfly with our hand, or helicopter hands. I don't really know how you call it. Just like that. Once again, 1. By the way, comment if you want like a more detailed tutorial on how to do the butterfly hands. But it's just very easy. We're going to put our wrists together and our hands go to the sides and down. Once again, 1. That's it. So that's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. We're going to do it once slow and once fast, and we're done. So first, let's do it slow. Let's go. Twist, jump, box, hands, smile, step back, step forward, elbow, circle, wave, hands, 1, 2, 1, 2, circle. That's it. And now we're going to do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. Twist, jump, box, hands, smile, step back, step forward, elbow, circle, wave, hands, 1, 2, ear, circle. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!